Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide, $6,800, Westbrook, Connecticut. The 1977 Harley-Davidson Electroglide represents the heart of the shovelhead touring era, a period that helped establish Harley-Davidson as the dominant name in American long-distance motorcycling. Known for its comfortable ride, classic styling, and unmistakable V-twin sound, the FLH remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage touring machines with authentic character. This burgundy example is powered by the legendary 74 cubic inch shovelhead engine and shows just under 22,000 miles. According to the seller, the motorcycle runs great and is ready to ride. With its combination of low mileage, classic touring equipment, and strong Harley heritage, this Electroglide offers plenty of appeal for vintage motorcycle enthusiasts.
Number 2. 1978 Honda CB750 Supersport, $4,900, Leesburg, Florida. The 1978 Honda CB750 Supersport helped continue the success of Honda's legendary inline-4 platform, combining smooth performance, dependable engineering, and timeless styling. Decades later, the CB750 remains one of the most respected classic Japanese motorcycles, appreciated by both experienced riders and collectors alike. The seller describes this customized example as very clean, smooth running, and in great overall condition with a clear title. Its custom appearance adds extra personality while preserving the bike's classic appeal. For anyone looking for a reliable vintage Honda that's ready to ride and enjoy, this CB750 Supersport is an attractive option.
Number 3. 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador, $6,800, Loganville, Georgia. The 1971 Moto Guzzi Ambassador is a classic Italian touring motorcycle, known for its durable V-twin engine, shaft drive system, and distinctive styling. These early Ambassadors continue to earn respect among enthusiasts for their comfortable riding manners and long-lasting mechanical design. This example retains much of its original character while benefiting from upgraded Italian Gilardoni cylinders. The seller reports that the engine pulls strongly, the gearbox shifts smoothly, and the motorcycle has recently been serviced with everything working properly. The fuel tank is clean inside, and the bike is currently registered in Georgia with a bill of sale. For enthusiasts seeking a well-kept vintage Moto Guzzi, this Ambassador offers classic Italian charm. Number 4. 1985 Kawasaki ZL900 Eliminator, $6,500, Ocala, Florida. The 1985 Kawasaki ZL900 Eliminator blended superbike-inspired performance with cruiser styling, making it one of Kawasaki's most distinctive motorcycles of the 1980s. Powered by a high-performance engine and featuring bold styling, the Eliminator has become an increasingly desirable model among collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. This example has reportedly been recently restored with fresh paint, new spark plugs, a new battery, and fresh fluids throughout. Showing only 16,000 miles and carrying a clean title, it is described as being in excellent condition. For buyers searching for an uncommon performance cruiser, this ZL900 stands out as a very appealing example.
Number 5. 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $5,000, Virginia Beach, Virginia. The 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt remains one of Britain's best-loved parallel twin motorcycles, admired for its classic styling and enjoyable riding experience. Thunderbolt models continue to attract enthusiasts thanks to their simple mechanical design and strong connection to British motorcycling history. This example combines vintage character with several practical reliability upgrades. The seller states that the rebuilt 1971 engine has fewer than 1,000 miles since major work was completed, along with upgrades including electronic ignition, stainless wheels, a modern charging system, and a new carburetor. With a rust-free original tank and strong running condition, this Thunderbolt appears ready for many more enjoyable miles.
Number 6. 1975 Suzuki GT380, $6,950, Chesterfield, Virginia. The 1975 Suzuki GT380 is one of the most recognizable two-stroke triples of the 1970s, admired for its smooth power delivery, lightweight handling, and unmistakable exhaust sound. Often referred to as one of Suzuki's most enjoyable middleweight classics, the GT380 continues to attract collectors looking for an authentic vintage Japanese two-stroke with timeless styling and character. This all-original example is reported to have only 3,800 miles and comes with a clean title, making it a particularly desirable survivor. The seller notes that the motorcycle has been ridden very little in recent years and is ready for its next owner to enjoy. For enthusiasts searching for a low-mileage classic Suzuki, this GT380 presents a rare opportunity. Number 7. 1974 BMW R75/6, $8,900, Regelsville, Pennsylvania. The 1974 BMW R75/6 helped establish BMW's reputation for building dependable touring motorcycles with smooth boxer twin performance and exceptional long-distance comfort. These air-cooled twins remain highly respected for their durability, refined engineering, and timeless European styling, making them favorites among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. According to the seller, this original paint example has just 12,000 documented miles and includes tasteful accessories along with recent service and new tires. Complete with its original toolkit, owner's manual, and tire pump, the motorcycle is described as turnkey and ready to ride. For buyers seeking a well-preserved classic BMW, this R75/6 is an impressive example. Number 8. 1978 Yamaha XS500, $3,799, West Palm Beach, Florida. The 1978 Yamaha XS500 offered riders a dependable parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, and classic styling that reflected Yamaha's growing success during the late 1970s. While produced in smaller numbers than some of Yamaha's larger twins, the XS500 has earned a loyal following among enthusiasts who appreciate its balanced performance and everyday usability. The seller reports that this motorcycle has just over 6,000 miles and runs and rides like new. It also benefits from new tires, a new battery, recent service.
Number 9. 1970 Triumph T100R, $5,500, York, Pennsylvania. The 1970 Triumph T100R is a classic British twin that combines lightweight handling with the unmistakable charm of Triumph's 500cc engine. Known for its responsive performance and timeless styling, the T100R continues to appeal to riders who appreciate traditional British motorcycles and their strong connection to motorcycling history. This example is equipped with a twin-cylinder engine, dual carburetors, and a manual transmission, while showing just over 8,000 miles on the odometer. The seller reports that the motorcycle is running and presents it in a distinctive purple and yellow color scheme. For enthusiasts looking for an enjoyable vintage British motorcycle, this Triumph offers plenty of classic character.
Number 10. 1983 Suzuki GS450E, $2,400, Hendersonville, Tennessee.
The 1983 Suzuki GS450E earned a reputation as a dependable middleweight motorcycle, offering balanced handling, reliable engineering, and strong everyday performance. Its simple design also made it a popular platform for enthusiasts interested in performance upgrades and long-term ownership, helping the GS series remain well-regarded among vintage Japanese motorcycles. This longtime owner example has been extensively modified with a larger 541cc engine, upgraded 4-valve cylinder head, professional port work, and numerous performance improvements. After spending many years in storage, the seller carefully returned the motorcycle to running condition and notes that it now performs like new. For buyers interested in a unique custom GS450E, this motorcycle offers a distinctive blend of history and performance.
Number 11. 1973 BMW R60/5, $4,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1973 BMW R60/5 is a classic air-cooled boxer that helps strengthen BMW's reputation for dependable engineering and comfortable long-distance touring. Known for its smooth twin-cylinder engine and timeless styling, the R60/5 remains a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate simple mechanical design and classic German craftsmanship. This example features a 2-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and comes with a clean title. The seller notes that the title lists the mileage as exempt, while the odometer shows 45,892 miles. Finished in a distinctive green and silver color combination, this R60/5 offers an appealing opportunity for anyone looking to enjoy a vintage BMW.
Number 12. 1972 Honda 350, $5,900, York, Pennsylvania. The 1972 Honda 350 became one of Honda's most successful lightweight twins, earning a reputation for dependable performance, easy handling, and everyday practicality. Its balanced design and classic styling continue to make it a popular choice among collectors and riders looking for an approachable vintage Japanese motorcycle. According to the seller, this orange example is powered by a 350cc twin-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and shows only 1,587 miles. The motorcycle is reported to be running and comes with a clean title. For buyers searching for a well-preserved early Honda twin, this CB350 offers timeless appeal.
Number 13. 1966 BSA Hornet, $5,000, Selbyville, Delaware. The 1966 BSA Hornet is a rare British performance twin, originally developed with off-road competition in mind. Lightweight, responsive, and built with minimal equipment, the Hornet earned a reputation as an exciting motorcycle that appealed to riders seeking spirited performance during the 1960s. Today, matching numbers examples are increasingly difficult to find. The seller reports that this matching numbers motorcycle runs well and benefits from an older restoration completed in 1999, along with a Boyer electronic ignition upgrade. Because the model was originally designed without lights or mufflers, it has seen limited use in recent years. For collectors seeking an uncommon DSA, this Hornet represents a unique opportunity. Number 14. 1964 Harley-Davidson Panhead Kick Bobber, $29,995, West Palm Beach, Florida. The 1964 Harley-Davidson Panhead is one of the most iconic American motorcycles ever produced, admired for its unmistakable V-twin engine and lasting influence on custom motorcycle culture. This example has been built in a classic bobber style, inspired by traditional craftsmanship, while retaining its original duo-glide frame and matching numbers engine, adding to its historical appeal. According to the seller, the 74 cubic inch Panhead engine was completely rebuilt in 2004, and the motorcycle has accumulated only 4,624 miles. Finished in a detailed custom paint scheme and carrying a legitimate 1964 Harley-Davidson title, it has reportedly remained with its builder for over 2 decades. For collectors seeking a standout vintage Harley,
this panhead offers exceptional character.
Number 15. 1984 Honda Goldwing GL1200i Interstate. $1,250. Joshua Tree, California. The 1984 Honda Goldwing GL1200i Interstate continued Honda's tradition of building comfortable touring motorcycles with impressive reliability and smooth long-distance performance. Equipped with a powerful flat-4 engine and touring-focused design, the GL1200 became a favorite among riders who valued comfort, durability, and everyday practicality on extended trips when extended traveling. The seller states that this motorcycle is in good condition and has received a new battery along with recently cleaned and tuned carburetors to address the original hesitation issue. While new tires are recommended before serious touring, the bike is described as needing only routine care and regular use. At this price, it offers an affordable entry into classic Honda touring ownership.